Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the essentials. Open Gcash and make sure you're logged into the correct number because notifications are tied to that account. Once done, check the App Store or Play Store and update the app if it's not current, since fixes live in updates. Next, verify your phone has data or Wi-Fi and that system notifications are allowed. Without connectivity or permission, the app can't deliver alerts. This avoids wasted troubleshooting later. Now you make the app and system cooperate. Open Gcash settings, go to notifications, and enable transaction, app, and promo alerts so the app will generate pushes. Then go to your phone's app info. Allow background data, grant notification permissions, and disable battery optimization for Gcash so the OS won't block delivery. Once configured, test by requesting an OTP or sending a small transfer. If you receive that notification, you know the pipeline is clear and stable. Finish by removing transient glitches. Force stop the app, clear its cache, do not clear data, and reboot your phone to reset network and push services. Once restarted, open Gcash, confirm notification toggles remain on, and run another test transaction or OTP request. If notifications still fail, reinstall the app to refresh core files. If problems persist, contact Gcash support with your account number, device model, OS version, and a time-stamped example. One troubleshooting tip: check Do Not Disturb schedules or third-party notification managers that silently block pushes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.